Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 62 unique path. So you have to return the path from M to N. There is given in M and N, which is row and column. You have to return the number of path to reach the last grid. Okay, so let's do this. Long res equals to 1 and int n equals to m plus n minus 2, int r equals to minimum of m minus 1 comma n minus 1, and then traverse for n I equals to 1, I less than equals to r, then I plus plus, and then res equals to res into n minus r plus I divided upon I. Let's return the int res. Let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.